Hi there, my name's Ali. I'm a senior staff writer and editor at autoinsurance.com, and today I'll be sharing my take on Nationwide, the country's 10th largest car insurance provider. Especially when you start getting into the 10 largest providers in the country, it can be hard to discern what makes them different. Many of these providers offer similar standard coverages, discounts, and add-on features, making them look pretty similar on paper, except for maybe their commercials and catchy slogans. But when you get into the nitty-gritty of auto insurance, you can start identifying some key differences among providers that will appeal to specific driver types. Today, I'm going to let you know who Nationwide is best for, who it's not best for, and some cool coverage options that may appeal to you. So Nationwide is our top pick and an excellent choice if you have bad credit or if you're looking to add a teen to your policy. People with bad credit and teens tend to have some of the highest rates in the country for car insurance, and that's because they file more claims, they get into more accidents, and the accidents they get into tend to be more severe than other demographics. And so from an insurer's perspective, the more claims you file and the more accidents you get into, the riskier you are to insure and the higher your premiums will be. Fortunately, Nationwide offers some of the cheapest average rates to drivers in both of these categories. To give you a breakdown of those numbers, if you have bad credit, you can expect to pay well over $3,000 a year. Some companies may even reject your application. They may not even accept you as a customer. With Nationwide, that number is closer to $2,421 a year or $202 a month, which is the lowest in the industry and 100% my top pick for drivers with bad credit. Similarly, if you're looking to add a teen to your policy, those rates with Nationwide are as low as $2,581 an average, and the industry average can be well over $3,000 a year. So again, Nationwide is the clear leader in this category and my top pick if you have bad credit or if you're looking to add a teen to your policy. Who Nationwide is not best for? It is not best if you have a bad driving record. So similar to drivers with bad credit and teen drivers, individuals with accidents, claims, or moving violations on their driving record tend to be designated as riskier drivers and will pay more for car insurance, which makes sense considering their track record. If you happen to be in one of these categories, you can still get quality insurance at an affordable rate. That's a belief we uphold here at autoinsurance.com. Those companies are out there. You can get insured, but it probably won't be with Nationwide. Whether you have a DUI ticket or accident on your record, Nationwide's average rates are high in this category, with costs hovering around $250 a month for drivers with a ticket on their record, $300 a month for drivers with an accident on their record, and over $350 a month. That's over $4,000 a year for drivers with a DUI. While these are not the most expensive average rates in the industry for drivers with a bad record, they're certainly not the cheapest. And there are other providers out there that I would recommend before Nationwide for this particular segment. So I want to take a moment to highlight a really cool feature from Nationwide's commercial auto insurance package. It's called Vintage 360 Fleet. It applies to fleet owners, delivery services, and business owners with rentals. Vintage 360 Fleet is basically a telematics program that allows you to track your drivers on the road. It'll give you analytics on things like your drivers' habits and patterns, how safe they're driving, and it'll update you on the most efficient routes as your drivers make their deliveries. It'll update you on traffic hazards and weather patterns that might affect your drivers on the road and offer suggestions to change those patterns. So it basically keeps your drivers safe by giving you analytics on how safe they're driving and if they might need training. It makes your routes more efficient by updating those routes based on weather and patterns and traffic hazards. And it'll incentivize safer driving habits by scoring your drivers and then offering them points, which they can redeem to get things like gift cards. So the drivers who are exhibiting the safest driving habits, the ones who are driving the safest, will get more rewards, more points, more gift cards. So it's a good benefit to them as well. On top of all of that, it's a 10% discount just for signing up, and the program is absolutely free. So it's pretty much a win-win. There's no reason, I think, if you're a business owner who has a number of drivers or delivery services, why you wouldn't want something like this on your policy. That's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other auto insurance reviews, tips, and guides. Thanks.